In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put images side by side in Google Docs. This is perfect for comparisons, before and after shots, or any layout where you want two visuals to sit neatly next to each other without awkward gaps. First, place your first image in the document. Go to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Image and select Upload from Computer. Pick the image you want to use. It will appear in your document, usually quite large. Don't worry, we'll make it fit perfectly. Click the image to select it and use the corner handles to resize. Dragging from a corner keeps the proportions looking natural. Aim for a size that leaves enough room on the line for a second image to fit beside it. If you're unsure, make it a bit smaller now. You can always fine-tune later. Next, add your second image the same way. Click Insert, choose Image, then Upload from Computer and select your second file. It will drop into the document, often below or next to the first image, depending on how much room you left. Resize the second image so it visually matches the first. Again, use the corner handles to keep it from stretching. Try to match the height in particular so they'll align cleanly when placed side by side. If one image suddenly disappears or jumps to another page as you work, that just means the document needs a little more room. Click where you want the images to sit and press enter a couple of times to create space, then scroll back and reposition your images into that open area. Now adjust the image layout for easier placement. Click the second image to bring up the image options. Choose behind text, or if that feels tricky, try wrap text. Behind text lets the image move freely, while wrap text usually keeps things tidy by pushing text out of the way. Either option will help you slide the images next to each other. With the layout set, drag the second image next to the first. You'll see alignment guides appear as you move it. Use those to line things up. If the images resist sitting together, make one slightly smaller and try again. Finally, adjust alignment so they look polished. Nudge each image until the tops align and the spacing between them feels even. Make small size tweaks if needed so both images balance visually. Your images will now appear side by side in your document. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.